Okay, so let's do little complex exercise on this kind of data structure inside MongoDB. We have data uh, that will be array of document, and we have values that will be array. We seen in previously, like if we have simple number or any string inside our column or field, we can easily filter that data. But if we have array inside a document, then based on this data like element 10, 20, 30, based on this value, how can we uh, do filter all the documents, like greater than 20, all the values, how can we filter all the document that will be greater than 20, or in between 10 and 40, and like if value is less than 10, how can you filter all this document? So that will be little complex because it's an array. If we see array inside document, then we have to remember that we have to use element match, because element match try to match all the condition on every element. But we have to also remember that it will like return if any element match the condition, not the all. If any element match that multiple condition, then it will return that document. So we have exercise 10 exercise, and we have I have already like inserted this data in our test database. If we do db dot numbers is collection, and if we do find, we can see all the data a b c d e f g e a b c d e f g h I j k till k. How many documents we have? We can do count. We have 11 documents, and let's solve the first query. And I don't want to write here, otherwise it will be not visible on the screen. So, and if I zoom, then it will like if I cross the line, then we can't see uh, other commands. So let's use any JavaScript compiler online. Let's write a query here. db dot collection name is numbers dot find, because the query is find documents, mean multiple documents, so we have to choose the find. Where is the find here? I hope you can see on the screen. Find, then what is the condition? Any value, where any value is greater than or equal to 70. So we have to target the values. Any value is greater than or equal to 70, so 70 also we have to include, 70 and above. If any element match that one condition, then that will be this one. C is match condition, D also match this 70 condition. 17 element, 70, C, D, E, F and J, and we have other also. So total 11, so let's add this one also. uh, what is the last one? Is K. Let's add this one also here. Name K. And values this one. Let's format. So this also doesn't match this condition. C, D, E, F and J. So total 5 documents we should grab for this condition, any value greater than or equal to 70. Let's write the query. Find on the values field we have to use element match. You can use the, we can't use in because it will like match, not greater. It won't check greater or equal to. Greater than also it won't check dot element match. Then let's do dollar greater than and equal to 70. That will be any element inside this array, any element that pass that condition. It will be like sum inside our JavaScript, sum and every, but this query is like sum, but we have to do on MongoDB. Let's paste this one and we get error, syntax error. Values dollar this comma and here numbers dot find values greater than equal to here, one bracket here and one bracket is missing, one curly braces. Now we should get 5 documents, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Yes, we did first exercise, that is any document that match the at least 170 or greater than 70 and greater value, that will be 75 85. And here also this match 2 condition, match 2 element, that condition. Here one element, here every element pass the condition, here one element that pass the condition. We solved one. Find second one, find any document where all value. So above is any, above question is any, but here all, like in JavaScript we have every array method dot every all. Here similar we have all value are greater than or equal to 70. So we don't have any method here like to find all 70, but it won't work. We have to like discard or remove or negate that. What is the question? Greater than or equal to. So let's find the all element that is less than 70. So let's find the element. So this is the first one, first answer. Second, second, let's write from scratch db dot numbers dot find and values dollar element match. Here we can do all the element dollar less than 70, not 70, also less than 70. It will give all the element that at least one element match the condition less than 70, but we have to neglect that thing. We have to filter out all that number. We can use not here, not operator. If we see all, then we can use not operator inside element match, and we have to like rethink what we have to neglect or filter out things. Dollar not element match, we have filter out all the less than 70 element. Then after that we have to remove all the things, all the documents that match this condition. That's why we use not. Let's copy this one and let's paste this query here. Enter extra dollar. What is the syntax error? Values, we have one bracket missing. We have all element, not any, not anyone, every element that greater or equal to 70, equal to also 70 and greater also 70. We did solve second exercise. It will take 12 minutes. Okay, let's do, because I have to explain also, that's why it will take so much time. Let's do third one. Third one. db dot numbers dot find. Let's add some gaps so there is no like syntax or type error. Find document where any value, any, so we have to match any element for that condition. Any value is between 20 and 40, so that will be inclusive 20 and 40, also 30 also includes. So we have to match any element for that condition 20 and 40. Let's do that. Values, values and dollar element match inclusive dollar uh, greater than and equal to 20, less than equal to 40. So this will be the our solution. I hope you can see the query on the screen. Let's paste this and we can see here it's match this three element. Any means any one. This one pass, here it won't match, here it won't match, but here this one match, that's why it's pass. Here it won't match, here it won't match, here it's match, so it's pass. And here this one also pass, this one pass, not the 51. So 20 is pass, so this pass. So we solved this query number 3. Query number 4, find documents where all values between 70 and 90 above any, but here all we have to like do all values that between 70 and 90. 70 and 90, this one match, C, this not match, this not, B don't match, C match. 70 and 90 inclusive, it should be inclusive. 70 and 90, between 70 and 90, it not written inclusive here, but it should be include also 70. So let's be clear, it should be inclusive. Then so it should be C, it should be not D, because not anyone, we have to pass the all element, pass condition on all element. 75 and 80 also done, so C and E will match. This one won't match, so J also match, so total 3 it will match. C, E and this one J. So let's write query. If we use element match directly, then it won't work. If I show you db dot numbers dot find values, and let's give some space, dollar element match. If we do directly greater than equal to 70 comma less than, it should be dollar less than equal to 90, it won't work like that. It will give mixed result because it give less than 90, that will be, let's see it, but I think it won't work like that. As you can see, it show 60 also, 65 also. It won't check for all, it check for any, I think. As you can see, 50 also. So for all we have to use not. I already show you not. If we use logic like discard or filter out less than 70, less than 70, you can see on the screen, less than 70, and greater than 90, we have to discard, that should be not. Then also it won't work. As you can see, it show completely different 1 2 3 4 4 also. So here we can use, let me write here, is there any better, let's remove all the thing, let's do fourth one only, and let's rewrite again fourth one. We can use AND operator here. dollar and that will take multiple condition on the values, and here we can pass element match. Here we can negate that. I think we did right wrong here. Yes, it's correct. Then element match values, then we have to negate less than 70. First we have to negate using not. So first condition is complete. Let's move to next one that should be similar to this. Values element match, it should be negate greater than 90, and it should be negate that using not. Let's paste this in our command prompt. What is the issue? Value missing one bracket, this one, and missing moon bracket, and missing colon. What is yes, array bracket is missing, array bracket missing, and one curly braces. Yes, we solved this exercise. All element match that condition in between 70 and 90, and it will be inclusive. Okay, let's move to next exercise. Fifth one, find document where any value is an even number. Find document where any value is even number. Let's move that and find db dot numbers dot find what is the condition? Find any value is even number. Values element match we have mode operator to like see even or odd, and then divide by, and we have in last we get what we call 1 or 0, like remainder that we can check. Here we have to check any one element that match this condition. So this should work perfectly. Let's copy and let's paste here, and we get all the even. Here it doesn't match because there is 14 that is even, anyone, because in question it say anyone. So we solve this fifth one. Let's move to 6. Find documents where all values. Here we have to check all values, so we don't have any method for all. We have to use not. We have to filter out that is uh, not even that. So here it will uh, return all the documents that is odd, and that document we have to negate using not. Okay, let's use one bracket, one more bracket, and let's use not colon, and let's use this query here. Here we can see all the even. Yes, we need all the even. Yes, I got confused with this odd ones. Okay, we don't even we don't have even one value that is not uh, even. We have all the documents with all the values is even. That will be sixth one. Let's move to 7. 27 minutes already done. Okay, let's do quickly without explaining. Let's do quickly. Find document where any value is less than 10. Any value is less than 10. This is so much simple. Okay, sixth one also done. So this is sixth one. Seventh one. Let's remove the sixth one and seventh one. db dot numbers dot find values element match condition less than 10, dollar less than 10, any element that is less than 10. We get 5 pass the condition, all the element pass the condition, all the element pass the condition, 7 is pass the condition. We solved 7th one. Let's move to 8. Find document where all values greater than 5 and less than 100. So it's not inclusive, like greater than 5 means 6 to 99 inclusive, and all element. Okay, let's do this exercise. 8.1 db dot numbers dot find values. Here inclusive, for inclusive we have to also use and. I think previously we use and operator, so we can use here and take array of condition कच्ची कली तेरा मासूम चेहरा condition. What is the first condition? Values are greater than 5 values element match should be greater than, we have to negate this thing, so let's do less than 5 cause issue, it will take 5 also, so less than equal to we have to negate, we have to filter out. For that we have to use not operator to filter out. कच्ची गली तेरा मासूम चेहरा. Here also values dollar element match element match in between 100, so we don't need 100, we don't need greater than and equal to 100, we have to negate this bracket and one more bracket and dollar not colon, and we have ready query. Let's copy this one and paste here, enter. We get all the documents in between 10 to 100, means 6 to 99, as you can see, not even 5. We solved this query. Let's move to 9, 32 minutes. Okay, find document where values array contain both 20 and 30. Element match create issue, like it will match only one element. If one element that match any of this, it will create issue. We have to think differently. Dollar in also cause issue. Dollar in behave like or 20 or 30, we need both. Let's do 9 1 db.users.find user. I have so many practice on user. Let's do numbers values. I think we have to use and or not for this one, both 20 and 30. Let's use simple one for now. Values, let's see if it's work or not. Values dollar element, 99% it won't work, but let's show you that it won't work. Dollar in element match, what is 30, 20 and 30, 20 and 30. Let's copy. I hope there is no syntax error. Bracket 20 and 30 both should include. Okay, so here issue is 20 and 30 both include not working, because here it's 20 and 50 also. We need only one result that include both only. If we use element match and nor, what is nor? Not. If we use nor, we can't use nor. on the values we have to use field for that. In if we use direct value, uh, we can't use 20 and 30 like this. If we do, it won't work. If we pass directly array 20 and 30, need object element match, need an object. If we do dollar equal to 30 20, then dollar equal to 30, let's see this also work or not. So this is working. Okay, this is great. So this is how we can do. So this is how we can do, or either we can also use and, that also it should work. Equal 20 and 30, it won't show other, it show both. Okay, if we use differently, like so this one is working, we can do working 9 1, this one working. And if we do use AND operator, element match, it will take array of condition. Element match on the values. I think this one is more readable, but let's do different one also. Element match, then we need both is equal to dollar equal to 20. Let's copy this and paste similar for this. Second condition is 30. This should also work. So this give one result. If I do second one, this also, so both query is working fine. So depend on you, this is more explicit, this is kind of implicitly it will do. So we have also one more left. I am tired. Okay, let's do 10th one. I thought this one is last, but there is more. Find documents where values array length is at least 3 and all values are less than 50. We have to use AND here because we have two condition. Let's do db.numbers.find values. Let's use AND operator. That will take array of condition 1, condition 2. What is condition 1? Condition 1 is little different. If you want to check the size of this value of an array, we can use size dollar size operator, but here it will take only number similar like this values. Then we have dollar size of an array, that should be 3. It won't compare, it won't take uh, operator like greater than, something like this, so it will create issue. That is the main issue. Let's do second condition for now. And less than 50, values are less than 50. Any values, any values, array document where values array length, and all values. So we have to negate also less than 50. All values are less than 50, so we have to filter out greater and equal to 50. Let's do values dollar not dollar element match, filter out dollar greater than equal to 50. So second condition is done. First condition we can use, uh, we have to put the field name, then we have to, so it's have index, we can use 2, so it will be give 0 1 2, that will be total 3, 0 1 2 0 1 2, so it will give 3 and greater than 3 uh, result that have 3 and more array of element. Okay, and we have to use that exist command here. Exist is true, so we solved this one. This one is much more faster than using expression or other thing like size. This one is much more faster. Okay, but you have to remember that it's have an index. If we do 3, then it will show 4 and more 4 and above. If we do 3, 3 and above. If we use 2, and then 3 and above. Let's copy and paste. There is issue with dollar sign on exist. We get 3 and above array of element. We solved all the exercise. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and you can also like practice this query. You can screenshot, and you can screenshot this one also, and insert this data in to your database to practice this query. So thank you.